Here is lesson 25 for Mallets. We will play numbers 60 and 61. You've already looked through these and you've realized that number 60 has some missing notes in it. What we will do for number 60 is what's called ear training. We will find the notes by using our ears. Okay, so for instance, we have first beat. Then we have the first beat of the next measure. Okay? Star search. This is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So, we have to find the right note. Think about all the notes that we know so far. There are no new notes. That doesn't sound like it, does it? That doesn't either. Hey, there you go. So there's the first two measures for you. I want you to pause the video and look through all of number 60 and try to figure out by playing your keyboard what the notes are. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and do that. Alright, now that you're back, let us play through number 60. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and... Now I want you to think through. I made one big mistake. Do you know what it was? It's a mistake a lot of you make when you're in band. What I did was I counted off at a different speed from how I played. You'll notice very, very often, especially when you get into the upper bands, middle school bands, high school bands, collegiate bands. If you count off at a different tempo than what you play, chances are the group will not play together. I counted you off at 1, 2, ready, and... That was the speed that I counted off. We didn't play that speed. We played... So it'll be 1, and ready, go. So when you're counting off, make sure you count off at the speed you play. I see a lot of young players when they practice, like, all right, here we go, 1, 2, ready, go. And by the end of the first measure, they've already stopped playing because they're not playing together at all. Count off in the speed that you'll play, okay? All right, before we go on to number 61, let's go over our code word. Our code word is fermata. We have seen plenty of fermatas in our music. So your code word is fermata. All right, here we go. Number 61. 1, 2, ready, and... And that was number 61. Check your sticking. This gets to be a really weird spot, especially that second line. I would start with the left hand. Oops, sorry. So you only have one crossover right there. The less times you can cross over another stick while you're playing, the better. All right, that was lesson 25. Thanks for joining me.